Motichur Laddu. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. Take 1 cup split Bengal gram or chana dal and soak it for 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, grind it to a fine paste. Add water if required. Remove the paste in a bowl and set aside. Heat oil in a kadhai for deep frying. With the help of a spoon, drop small portions of this paste in the hot oil. Fry on medium flame till crisp and aromatic. Remove on an absorbent paper and set aside to cool down completely. Check if they are well cooked and crisp. After they cool down, grind them coarsely. Remove the powder in a bowl and set aside. In a thick bottom pan, take 1.5 cups sugar and 1.5 cups water. Now turn on the flame. Keep stirring till the sugar dissolves completely and the syrup becomes thick. Check the consistency by sliding the thumb over the forefinger. It should feel sticky. We need sticky consistency for this recipe. Now add 7 to 8 cardamoms. These are freshly powdered. And saffron food color. Add 1 tablespoon muskmelon seeds or melon seeds. And the coarsely ground powder. Keep stirring and cook on low flame for 2 minutes only. Turn off the flame and set aside to cool down completely. After the mixture cools down, add 1 tablespoon ghee and mix well. For making the laddus, take a small portion of the mixture and press it gently as shown. If the mixture feels dry, add some ghee. If it feels very moist, let it rest for some more time. It will dry up. Prepare all the laddus in the same manner. Subscribe to my channel Jimjan Kitchen. Click the bell, like, share and leave your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.